We are halfway to the weekend and waiting in anticipation for our next system to come through, bringing us the good chance of rain that we've been talking about for the last couple of days. Right now in Saugatuck, it's cloudy like it is everywhere else. You can see the cloud cover. We have about 45 minutes left until the sun sets, but we're probably not going to see much of it since the clouds are so thick across West Michigan. Right now, our wind is from the southeast at 10 to 15 miles an hour with occasional gusts higher than 20. It's going to continue to be on the high side like this through tonight and into tomorrow, but that wind from the south is helping to pull up some warmer air. Current temperatures are mostly in the low 50s. We're running around 4 to 5 degrees warmer right now than we were at this point yesterday, although there are a couple of spots in the 40s like Three Rivers and Coldwater and Big Rapids, 45 degrees, a little bit on the cooler side there. Kind of zooming things out to a larger perspective here, you can see some cooler air into parts of Minnesota and Iowa, but a lot of warm air to our south. The really cold air is still locked up in Canada, and that's where it's going to stay for the next week or so we don't really have to worry about anything too chilly in the near future. We do have this low pressure system, though, that is bringing in some rain to a lot of spots across the upper Midwest, and this is going to be the source of our rain as well. You can see the rain down to the south slowly moving to the north, and that will be approaching us as we get towards around 9 p.m. or so, continuing to see showers filter in overnight. And by midnight, we will all be getting some decently heavy rain. Those showers will continue into early tomorrow morning as well. Lows tonight will be around 43. It will continue to be breezy as it is rainy, and then the rain will continue into the early part of tomorrow before gradually tapering down in the afternoon. Similar to today, tomorrow is going to be in the upper 40s, low 50s, a little bit above average, but not too terribly so. It will be a little breezy, though, especially in the early part of the day, kind of left over from what's happening now. Wind gusts by 8 to 10 a.m. could be 20 to 25 miles an hour. But as we get into the later part of the afternoon especially, that's when the wind will start to calm down. Timing it out for you, you can see the rain moves up from the south by 8:30 or 9 o'clock. A lot of us are getting some of the downpours, but the really heavy downpours, those come into the early morning hours. Along around 5:30, 6 o'clock, most of Michigan actually going to be getting in on the rain. So if you're headed out early, you're definitely going to want your umbrella and prepare to need your windshield wipers. But by 2:30 or so, as the low pressure moves away, the worst of the rain goes with it, and there will be a few trailing showers on the backside of this, but not a whole lot. Then as we get into Friday, which is firearm deer season opener, we are dry, cloudy initially, but high pressure will help to clear out those clouds as we head into the later part of the day. So the worst of the rain coming between midnight and about 6 a.m., resulting in anywhere from half an inch to over an inch of rain. This is going to be a really great drink of water for all of the soil. Looking at the next couple of days, once we kick the system out tomorrow, Friday and Saturday are dry. The pattern becomes a little more unsettled, though, Sunday through Wednesday.